Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. This is Shah Nawaz Rustamani, and I welcome to all of you at my channel, Knowledge for All Seekers. And from today, we are going to start our new course, new series, which is about skill development course. Okay, what we will learn, what we will learn in coming 40 days, we will show you that what we are going to learn in coming days. So I hope that you all are ready to start our program, start our video, start our course. So this is our skill development course for next 40 days. Okay, in this series, in this course, we will learn a lot of things, and inshallah we will be very skillful after completing this course. And after completing course, you have to practice it a lot, because there is a theory as well as practical in this course. So we will teach you some theory as well as directly practical hands-on training. And if you are very zero in library science, so you are at the right channel, and I hope that you will learn a lot from this course. And we are, without wasting any time, we are going to start our program. We are going to start our course. So today is our first day. What we are going to learn in these 40 days. So let's see what is available in this course. First of all, I will inform you that what we will learn in this course. Okay. First of all, number one thing is we will learn about introduction to library science. What is library science? What actually is library science? What we will learn in library science, and what we are learning, and what we will learn in library science. What is library science all about? So we will discuss in this course that what is actually library science is. Okay. After that, we will learn which type of libraries are available in the world. For example, academic and special and public libraries. We will learn in details about these libraries. Okay. Another thing is classification and cataloging tools. It is very important in libraries that how to operate our library, how to classify, and how to cataloging in our library, how to make catalog. Okay. So nowadays these there are many tools which are available for classification and cataloging. Even you don't need to use your DDC scheme. Okay. For classification, there are a lot of tools, a lot of online tools are available for cataloging and classifications, by which you even don't need DDC scheme to use for classification. Okay. And there are a lot of tools are also available by which you can get help for cataloging also. Okay. After that, we will learn Google applications, which are very important nowadays. There are very little applications, but very useful. For example, Google Forms are available, Google Drive, and Google Classroom, Google Translate, and many things are available in Google applications. So these are very useful applications which we will learn in this course also. Okay. So after that, we will learn about blogging, how to make blogs for our libraries, how to market our library. So through blogging, you can market your library, that what is available in your library and what is your library is all about. Okay. So we will learn how to make blogging, how to make blogs of our own library. we will learn that how to make blog. Okay. After Google applications, we will learn blogging, how to make blog for our libraries or our any other institute in which you are working. Okay. So after that, we will learn some MS Office skills, which is also very important. Uh, we will learn MS Word, MS PowerPoint, and MS Excel, and how to make database in MS Office for our libraries. For example, if you don't have any softwares which are available in your libraries for automation, then there is nothing to worry about that. You can create your own database in MS Office. Okay, so we will learn this MS Office also in this course. Okay, after that we will learn and we will learn SLIMS. SLIMS is actually short form of Senayam Library Integrated Management System. Okay, it is a library automation software. SLIMS is the library automation software which we will learn in theory as well as we will do all the practical of SLIMS library automation software. Okay, we will do every modules of Slim's automation software. Okay, we will do hands-on practice also. Okay, and practically also. And after that, we will learn Calibre ebook management system. For example, if you want to make your own digital library, then you have to work on Calibre ebook management system. Okay, through Calibre ebook management system, you can make your own digital library. So it means that it is a digital library software. We will do every modules of Calibre ebook management system software. So be connected with us. We will learn this software also, that how to make our digital library. So we will do it as practical. Okay. So whole practical will be done in this course. And after that, that's a main software which is used worldwide. Okay, this is a Koha integrated library management system. Okay, everyone knows, I think, that what is Koha and what is the value of Koha software in Pakistan as well as whole world. Okay, it is used in many countries, and everyone, I think, know that what is Koha. Koha is library automation software. So in this course, we will learn whole Koha library integrated management software. Okay. So these are the major things which we will cover in our 40 days. We will do first of all introduction to library science, then types of libraries, then classification and cataloging tools, Google applications, blogging, MS Office, Slims automation software, Calibre ebook management system, which is digital library software, and Koha integrated library management. It is also a library automation software. Okay, so I think in 40 days these are enough. I have selected major topics for for these 40 days, and I hope that you will be connected till the last lecture, till the last video of this course. So I think let's go and start our first lecture about introduction to library science. So today is our first day, so we are going to start our first topic, which is about introduction to library science. Okay, so let's start. Introduction to library science. What is library science actually is? So first we will tell you that what is library science actually is. What is the definition in very simple words, very simple words. In very simple words, we can say that library science is a science which deals with the study of library. Okay, it is a science which deals with the study of library. Wherever course which is related to library is conducted, then we can say that it is a library science. Okay, wherever library, any degree, any certificate, any you can say medal or something else, which is about library, then we will say that this study is about library science. Okay, this is library science. But in another words, in technical words, what we will say to library science, that library science is an academic and professional study. Library science is an academic and professional study. Why we are saying that it is a professional study? Because it contains a degree. Okay, this is a degree program. Library science is a degree program, and it is a master and MPhil and PhD degree program. So that's why we are going to say that it is a professional study. It is an academic and professional study. Just like many other subjects, chemistry, it is a professional study. Physics, it is a professional study. Biomedical, it is a professional study. Computer science, it is a professional study. Same like that, library science is also an academic and professional study. About what? Professional study of how information and information carriers are produced. Library science is an academic and professional study of information and information carriers which are related to information are produced. Okay, are you understanding? It is a professional study of how information and information carriers are produced, how information is disseminated, how information is discovered, how information is evaluated, how information is selected, acquired, used, organized, maintained, and managed. So these all things are coming in information or library science. Okay, library or information science. So library science is what? First of all, in very simple, for example, anyone asked from you that what is library science, you just have to tell that library science is the science which deals with the study of library. Okay, so if you will tell them technically, so you will say that it is a library science is an academic and professional study of how information and information carriers are produced, disseminated, discovered, evaluated, selected, acquired, used, organized, maintained, and managed. Okay, so this is what library science is. So it is a, I think I have selected very simple definitions so everyone can understand very easily. So let's move forward. That was about what was library information science. I think I hope that you have understand that what is library science. So let's move to an other. So now we are going to a simple simple definitions of basic terms of library tools. Basic terms of library tools. What are the basic terms of library tools? That is most important also, which is catalog and classification. These two things, these two tools and these two operations are very important in any library of the world. Either it is small library or biggest library of the world, catalog and classification is must in every library. So that's why I have selected that we will learn this two terms, that what is classification and what is catalog. Okay. So what are these things? Let's go. Yes. This is a catalog. Catalog is consists of four things. Remember that catalog is consist of four things: document, arranged, bibliographic information, and location. What? Document, number one, number two, arrange, number three, bibliographic information, and number four is location. That's why I have highlighted them. So let's see what it is saying. Catalog is a systematic document. Remember, it is systematic. Why? Because there are many library operations are enabled them, okay, or implemented on it. Okay, catalog is a, remember, just remember these four things. Okay, document, arrange, bibliographic information, and location. You have to remember these four things. If these four things will be remembered by you, then you can easily define what is catalog. Okay, so what is catalog? That catalog is a systematic document. Number one, it is a systematic document. Okay, again, then what is in systematic document? Arranged in a recognized way. It is a document which is arranged. Systematic catalog is a document which is arranged in a recognized way, means in a systematical way. Then what is further? Okay, it is a document, it is arranged in a recognized way, provide such bibliographic information. Okay, this document is catalog is a document which is arranged and provide bibliographic information. Number three, number third element of a catalog. It is a document which is arranged, okay, arranged in a recognized way, which what it does, provide such bibliographic information and shows exact location of the document through call number. Okay, so call number is also written in catalog. So that's why it is showing the location of the document. Okay. So these are the four elements. So remember these four elements, you will be very easily able to define what is catalog. Okay. It is a document which is arranged in a in a systematic way, which provides bibliographic information and shows exact location of the document. Very simple. Okay. Moving forward, classification now. What is classification? In very simple, we are discussing classification, that classification is the process of grouping. What? It is a process of grouping. It involves putting together like entities and separating unlike entities. Classification is a process of grouping. It is a process of grouping which involves putting together likes entities. For example, like entities means, for example, there are many books which are available, but for example, we are separating computer science books. Okay, we are kind of separating a whole computer science books at one side, and remaining we are keeping an other side. So that is called putting together likes entities, means we are all making together computer science books. Okay, so it means that we are putting together likes entities, and we have separated whole other books to another side. So this phrase is showing that separating unlike entities, means we have only separated computer science books, and all other books we have separated to another place. Okay, so that is called separating unlike entities. Okay, so it is very simple. It is a process of grouping, in which grouping like entities together like entities and separating unlike entities, means se- computer science is separated from all other subjects, and all other subjects are separated another to another location. Okay, so that is called separating unlike entities. Another definition, what is another definition? That classification is the system of coding and organizing library material according to their subjects. Okay, what is a classification? It is a system of coding, just like we write in Arabic numbers, that call number. So that is why it is saying that classification is the system of coding. Okay, this is another definition. Classification is the system of coding and organizing library material. It is a system of coding and organizing library material according to their subjects. Just like I have already given you example that, for example, we are separating computer science books to one place, and we are putting all other subjects to another place. So that is called, it is organizing material according to their subjects. Okay, I hope that you have understand very much. So what is another thing? What is library automation? We are not going in very deep in library automation. I am just informing you that what is library automation is. We are just going to learn definition of library automation. Okay, so what is library automation? Yes, the term library automation is being used extensively in library science to mean the application of computer to perform some of the traditional library activities. Yes. What is library automation? It is an application in computer. Okay. Just like we use applications in mobiles, so we use applications in mobile, just like they are also softwares. So this is library automation is also softwares in libraries, softwares for libraries, in which what we do, activities such as acquisition, cataloging, circulation, stock verification, etc. These all activities we will perform through computer software in our library. So then we will call that it is a library automations. All operations, just like acquisition, cataloging, circulation, stock verification, and other things which are being used in libraries, if we use these all things or operations through any software of library, then we will say that this is a library automation. Okay, in other words, library automation is a process of using the machineries for easy working and saving the human power and time. Automation is a process of using machine. Means we are using machine for what? We are using machines for libraries for what? For easy working. For easy working and also saving the time. Power and time means it reduces the work. It reduces, automation reduces the work, it reduces the time, it reduces the human power which insist in, which includes in hard working of library in manual library. Okay, so automation is a process of using the machines, means it is a process in which machines are used for what? For easy working and saving human power and time. Okay, it is very simple written that what is library automation. In both definitions are very easy. Number one is such software for libraries in which every activities of library is being used, then we will say that this is a library automation. Okay, in another definition, it is saying that it is a process of using machines. We are using machines for what? For easy working and saving human power and time. I hope that you have understand very much. Moving forward, okay. When we use machines for collection, for processing, storage, and retrieval of information, and do an other work of library with the help of machines, that called library automation means in simple words, if we are using all operations if we are using all operations through machine, any electric machine, then it is called library automation. Okay, if we use all library operations, all library activities through machine or through software, then it is called library automation. Okay, very simple. I hope that you have understand. So moving forward, what skills required for perfect librarian in current period? Because this is a period in which competition is a lot. Okay, competition is available a lot. Everyone wants to be a perfect in every aspects of the libraries or librarianship. Okay, so what are the basic skills required for the librarian to be perfect in current period? Okay, so let's see which are the skills. Number one, basics of librarianship. He or she should know the basics of librarianship, language perfection. If you are in own country, then it is easy. But if you are working in another country, then you should know their language also. Okay. But in your own country, you will use your mother tongue. Expertise in field. You have to be expert in every field of the library or library activity. For example, classification, cataloging, indexing, abstracting, acquisition, and many other activities which are available in library. Then you have to be expert in these fields. Okay. Then computer skills. So sorry, there is a mistyping. So another is computer skills. You should be at least computer literate to be perfect librarian. Okay, you must know the basic computer skills. Okay, basic computer literacy, communication skills. This is very important for a librarian, that he should communicate with his or her users, because by communicating, you will know that what are their desires, what are their needs, what are their requirements for their own use, for their own what we can say that for their own usage. So we will know through communication. Okay, and another is automation knowledge. Okay, if you want to be perfect librarian, then you must know the automation. Okay, how to do automation, how we can make our library automated, how can we use our library automation softwares. Then you must have knowledge about automation. Okay, so these are the basic skills which any librarian must possess. Okay, so I think that's all for today, because this is the first lecture, so we are not going into deep. Okay, so I hope that you have understand very much. Then this was a little bit introduction about library science, or that what things are available in library science. Okay, what is library science, which activities are used in libraries. So I hope that you have understand very much. If you have not understand anything, then just ask me, or tell me in comments. Okay, inshallah I will resolve your issue. And if you have liked this video, then also tell me about this, that if you like or not, and also share it with your friends. So what will be the next lecture about? So our next lecture will be about types of libraries. Okay, which types of libraries are available in the world? There are academic libraries, public libraries, special libraries, and school libraries. So we will talk about these things in detail in next lecture. Okay, inshallah tomorrow. So I hope that you have liked very much. So, and I hope that you have understand everything. If you not understand, then tell me in comments. Okay. So that's all for today. Inshallah, see you in next video. And till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.